Assalamualaikum and hello, welcome back. So in this module 2, there are two subtopics that I wish to cover. The first one is sources of idea of doing research, and the second one is how to do the live research. How to select topic for your final year project. So in answering this question, you need to ask yourself few important basic questions. The first one, is it financially feasible? So if you wish to do any topic that caught your intention or your interest, where your decision to choose the site for your case study, or who is your respondent selection. So I mean, the distance wise, how do you wish to meet your potential respondent? So that is number one. So will that cost you much to travel, and how do you plan and do you manage for your data collection? So if the distance is far, then you have to plan it accordingly, or else you will waste your time and money to travel many times in obtaining the required data. Secondly, you need to ask yourself, this is also very important, how to gain access to relevant people. Well, you have to be prepared that to gain access is not as easy as you thought, because you need to get ready with the letters, you have to do appointment in advance, you have to be polite in asking people to help you in completing the survey. So these are all the basic protocol that you need to learn in getting the information that you want. So be prepared with the question, be prepared with your respondent, if your respondent cancel the appointment and so on. So I had that kind of experience when I did my PhD last time, I think in somewhere in 2003 when I did the data collection. I had appointment in KL, one of the building in KL, so I had to travel far from JB. Then I stayed in KL. In that morning, I was waited for half an hour, and suddenly my respondent had told me that he forgotten to attend another meeting and he cancelled the appointment. That is one of the challenges that you have to face, and be positive during the data collection. So another reminder, this one please to all students, don't be overconfident by saying that, oh, my father is working there, my auntie is working there, my sister is working there, my uncle is working there, whoever working there. We cannot abuse the authority, because the policy is just policy. Alright, for example, I had my student, she has to change the scope of study during the final year, because even though I don't know whether the auntie or the father working at this agency, and suddenly when he wrote a letter to the top management, and she get the reply that the agency is only willing to give the information to the postgrad student. So careful. Do I need a survey or interview? Well, it depends on your nature of your study. So whether you choose on qualitative or quantitative study, so you decide and you have to justify. If survey, how much it will cost you, and where is your study area, what is the population looks like, and how do you determine your sample of your respondents. So please help yourself to read on sample determination and the calculation of how to, justify your sample. So what information I need to obtain in order for me to write? Well, when you do research, you need to read a lot. You cannot write if you don't have any information or statistic or data in your hand. This is not writing a novel or fiction which you can solely use your imagination. In research, you need to justify your point with reliable citation supported with numbers and figures. So please take about 5 minutes to answer all my questions, and if you can answer all, then you are fine. So where did you get the topic? Where the topic come from? What and why make you think of it? What are the main trends that have occurred in the area of your study? What are the main issues in the field? What are the key studies that have been done? Where is it? Where and by whom? And where did they find? And what did they find? And what is the further investigation is needed that make you wish to do this study? How to structure your research work? Well, to structure your research work, first you need to start with any possible topic by answering the question that I asked you just now. So you need to find out what is the general state of the area. You have to step back and try to see the bigger picture. And you can talk to your friend, you can talk to your lecturers, you can even go do general Googling, check the journal, article, newspaper cutting. So this is how you just about to start your writing. As for the second topic, how you want to explore the library search, what you need to do is you please help me to get at least 15 or 20 articles for a start relating to your topic. What you need to do, you just go to the library.uitm.edu.my. First thing, what you need to do, you have to go to this website, library.uitm.edu.my. Then you go to the Open Educational Resources. Alright, so you can see here, explore our collection. Then you can just click. Right, so you can go to this book collection. Then you can go to any digital. Here is the online database. Alright, you just go to this online database, or you can just go to ebook, this repository, alright, public e-journal, so open access. So these are the things that you need to explore in order for you to get articles relating to your topic. I just give you a very simple one. You can just go to the online database. So you can go here, then you can just click, for example, E. Then you can find any article listed here. So we have here the Elsevier. Alright, so there's so many articles that you can search using this platform. And you can search the database using this library online. Alright, you can explore the OPAC, the live chat, and also the timing of the library. You can explore here, but the most important is how you want to explore on the collection, on the database, open access, and the ebook. So please explore this. Okay, bye for now. Bye.